morning. Today is a beautiful day. It's my second day here in Dubai, and today I'm gonna do something I have had on my bucket list for a very long time, doing a skydive. It's been on my list for a long time, and this is actually the reason I came to Dubai for, because what better place to do a skydive than Dubai. I'm very excited to come falling down to earth. So getting close to the place now. If I'm lucky, I'm gonna be jumping from a small plane. Might be a helicopter, but I'm hoping for a small plane because that's also something I have on my bucket list. Call a plane. That will be fun. That will be two flies on one stone, or how do you say that shit? Yeah. Sorry? Skydive. Okay, thank you. I am here. I am here. I'm starting to feel it in my belly. Oh shit. Oh, now it's getting to me. I'm actually doing this. Holy shit. Oh well. Well, it's fun if it works. If it doesn't work, almost fun is ended. I'm sad. I had to reschedule my skydive because it's too windy today. It's the only windy day in the week, and now I have to reschedule. So the only day I have actually free time, the only day I don't have anything else planned, is Monday, the day I leave. Fast forward 2 days, I am back at Skydive Dubai, and now today there is almost no wind. So I should be fine, and I'm actually gonna jump from a plane. It is 8:15 a.m. very early. I'm still kind of sleepy, and yeah, today we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna jump from a plane.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai. Tell me, what are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Awesome. Is it the first time you do this?
It's my first time, yeah.
How are you feeling about this?
I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Not nervous?
I'm not nervous, and I'm not scared.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands.
Okay. And you're on holiday in Dubai?
I am on holiday, yeah.
Nice. Have you met your instructor today, Kieran?
Yes. Yep.
Have you got any questions about what he's told you to do?
No, not really. No.
You understand everything?
Yep.
Okay. Ready to go?
Yes.
Perfect. Thanks so much. Bye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the
Tell me all about it. How was your skydive?
That was amazing.
What was the best bit, do you think?
That was sick. Huh?
What was the best bit?
The best bit, just
falling from the sky.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Sick.
jumping with us today at Skydive Dubai. Hopefully we see you again. Bye.
Holy fuck. That was amazing. That is unlike anything I've ever experienced. I don't have many words for it. Like, this was at the top of my bucket list for a reason, and this was fucking sick. That is just undescribable. The feeling just falling from a plane basically is, I don't know, I don't have words for it. I cannot describe. But that was a lot of fun. And yeah, wow. That was my reason to come here to Dubai, and that was worth it. Holy fuck. I'm still without words. On my last day, saved the best for last. Didn't plan to, but yeah, it kind of happened this way. And now I'm just gonna enjoy the beach for the rest of the day and have a good one. See ya.